Hi guys.
Welcome to a pre-travel day.
Welcome back. So yeah, you find us at Manchester Airport.
At the airport pub.
Airport pub. So yeah, it's a little bit of a different kind of travel experience for us this hill. So we are heading to Milan.
Yeah.
It is
Como and Milan.
It is Lee's dad's 70th and Lee's 40th.
Yeah.
So we're having a really big family celebration. It's been a bit of a hard 6 weeks. My dad passed away 6 weeks ago. So my beautiful mum is joining us as well, because my mum cared for my dad for such a long time. She's not been away for a long time. So we're all embracing her and being together.
Yeah.
So she might not make the vlogs. She's not really probably one to be on the vlogs, but she's going to be with us all. Denise and Steve are going to meet us in Milan tomorrow. So we're just starting off our pre-travel day, because we're going to be staying in the Radisson, aren't we?
Yeah.
So we obviously wanted to bring you all with us. We've still got a few Tenerife vlogs that we'll be bringing out as well, but obviously we thought we'd get this Milan one out for you all as well, so you can all come with us and enjoy it.
So we're starting it here at the airport pub, because we've come to show your mum. So I've had a burger combo, which were delightful.
Yeah, and we'll put a little
overlay.
Am I allowed to say overlay?
Yeah, because I'm overlaying it.
And me and mum shared a few little. Mum's not a massive eater, so we've shared a few little plates. We had a little Caesar salad, some little chicken wings, and some like little hash brown potatoes, which are lovely. So yeah, it's a bit of a bittersweet experience, but I know Dad would want this to happen, and I know he would be so proud of my mum to embrace this and just to be all together. So yeah, so we are
At the airport pub.
at the airport pub.
I'll cue a montage, but we're gonna then head to something we've wanted to stay for quite a while.
Yes, yeah.
So is it the Radisson?
We're staying at the Radisson.
Which we've booked the airport
Pub. We're at the airport pub out.
Views.
The airport runway. Yes, we've got. So obviously this lovely trip had been planned for quite a long time, but now we've just had to rejig it a little bit. So bless Lee. Lee's going to be bunking up with his brother, and I'm going to be with my mum. But we're just making it work, aren't we? It's all about family. Life is so precious, as everyone probably knows, and we're just embracing this time now and all being together.
Definitely.
It's a beautiful day. I know that my dad is with us, and I know that he would be, like I said, so proud of my mum, so proud of us all for doing this. And so come with us as we have our little pre-travel day. We're gonna have I've just had another pink prosecco. Mum's in the pub with a nice glass of vino.
So cue the montage of the airport pub, because if you've not been, I'll do a little video
on days like this. I've never been here, so it's amazing. My mum's loving looking at all the planes.
Then we'll probably come back out, watch some planes, head to the hotel, which I'll do a room tour and hotel tour.
And watch
we
some
might
more planes.
have a little wander to the terminal.
Yeah, so it's all connected. So like I said, obviously Mum and Dad have been on some beautiful holidays, but Mum and Dad's been quite poorly. They've not been able to go away, so this is a whole new experience for my mum. So she's not been to the airport in like 7 years. So I've said, look, we'll connect. We'll go into because the Radisson connects to terminals 1 and 2. So I said we'll go for a little walk later, get a feel of the airport, just get the holiday vibes for my mum. And so we will take you with us, obviously.
So cue the montage for the airport pub.
Yeah. Oh, what's this one? EasyJet one. EasyJet one, guys, coming in now. There we go. EasyJet. I know my plane. And what a gorgeous day to be here watching, seeing all those planes.
So yeah, cue the montage. Nothing's
Wobbling on.
Yeah. We'll check in with you soon.
Yeah. See you soon. Bye. welcome to our crib for the night. So we're just going to do a little room tour. So like we said, Lee is going to be in with Scott, who was just next door, and I'm in with my mum. But we just thought we'd show you a little bit of the hotel. So we've got bathroom. Oops, if I could switch the lights on properly. Really lovely and clean. So you've got a nice bath.
Little side mirror.
Nice
there
bit
you go.
to do, like if you want to do your makeup, whatnot. You've got some nice little mirrors here. Shave it, like you shaving.
Show them the.
We don't need to turn it on then.
No, I'll just show them. There you go. You've got your complimentary Radisson shampoo
That
shower.
feels like a hairdryer.
Hairdryer,
You need to
yeah,
try
there you
that.
go.
I've been
So
for
there you
blow
go.
dry today. My mum went for one yesterday, so we don't have hairdryer. And then you've got here a nice little place to hang your clothes. Nice little wardrobe.
Yeah, you've got an ironing board, which is a massive plus.
Got a safe, iron. Got your tea and coffee facilities. You've got complimentary water, which is great. And then have you got a little fridge? Yeah, so I might put the water in there.
Yeah.
We've got a nice little fridge for the water. We have got a nice little...
We've got Bernie in the
My
corner.
mum there. Mum, wave. Good evening. So you've got a nice
Massive bed in it.
massive double bed. Nice TV.
Yeah.
Sure, Mum might want to watch Emmerdale later, so we can move again, you've got another nice area if you want to do your makeup.
Side plugs.
Look,
No.
there's
No side plugs there.
Oh no, there's some there.
Is there down below?
You've got your plugs.
Ah,
your
yes.
recharge. And we booked this room last year. We booked it because we booked a runway view, which is really good. I don't know, should I try and turn the lights off so you can see a bit better? Have a look. Turn these off. Just for now, so you can see. So
Yeah.
we've got a lovely runway view, and it's been such a gorgeous day today as well. So the sky is
So yeah, there's the
beautiful.
traffic control tower.
Yeah, and you've got your runway.
All the activity, but yeah, this is the reason we wanted to stay, don't it?
Yeah, so it's just a really nice. We fly at 8:40, so we wanted to be closer to the airport, and we booked a lounge for the morning as well, which
Yeah.
is nice. And I just have to say, before I forget, because I'm really bad at forgetting things, just seen such a lovely subscriber, Jane. Hi, Jane. Who came up to me in reception while Lee was paying, and it was so lovely to meet you. And you're going to Tenerife tomorrow for your hubby's 50th without the kids. Enjoy.
I think they were flying at 1:50,
1 o'clock, yeah.
something
So
like
have an
that.
amazing time, and thank you for coming to say hello. It was so lovely to see you. You always still get taken aback when people come up to you.
Especially because we've only got 1,000
Yeah, you don't think that it
subscribers.
was so lovely, and I love that you love House of Fashion Boutique as well. I love that.
But yeah, I think
So,
we
yeah.
paid 164, I think
Yeah,
it was.
obviously we paid a bit more because it's a superior room and it's the runway view as well.
Yeah, so you're paying for the runway.
You're paying for the runway view, but we just thought so it.
But
We
yeah.
got a nice big bed as well.
And we did it because we were up early and we didn't want to drive to...
Didn't want to drive, yeah. So yeah, so we're just going to get acclimatised, and then we might go for a little wander, because obviously this hotel connects terminals. I think it actually connects all the terminals, so we said we'll go for a little walk with Mum and show her around the terminals as well.
Yeah.
So yeah.
And I'll show you some more at hotel and probably have a drink.
Yeah, definitely, yeah. We've
But
got
yeah,
a
we
few
just-
little tinners, a few little gin and tonics.
Yeah.
So yeah, so we will catch you all soon, guys.
Yeah, probably in a terminal maybe.
Yeah, maybe, yeah, we're going to have a look around.
Yeah.
Definitely.
So cue the montage of the room and we'll see you soon.
Bye.
So if you stay at this hotel, you can park here. You can get to all terminals, so Terminal 1 to 3 that way, Terminal 2 this way. We're going to go and have a look at Terminal 2. It's the best terminal in this airport, without a doubt. So Terminal 2, we're going to go and show Bernie, because she's not been on a plane for years. So Terminal 2, here we come. And just like that, here at Terminal 2, the amount of people that's had a picture in front of this sign, loads of vlogs I've seen, everyone has to have a picture in front of this sign. So yeah, it says Terminal 2, look like they're doing it up over there as well. But yeah, this is the best terminal, without a doubt. It's modern, it's posh, and they look like they're extending it even more over there, and through departures there. Yeah. Mega terminal this one, so yeah, easy as that. You're at Terminal 2. So we're just having a little wander around this terminal. Cheers, happy holidays.
We are all checked in. Well, obviously you saw them. So we're just in the airport bar now. We've got a nice glass of prosecco. Lee's got a glass of
A trusty
a Guinness. So yeah, so we're just having a little bit of a chill, and then we're gonna go up to the room out way. Me and Mum are gonna do face masks tonight.
Watch some more planes.
Yeah, watch the planes, and then
I'll overlay. We watched. When the time we got into his room, the big Emirates
from Dubai
come in, and we watched it land, so I'll overlay
it's going out in an hour again as well, so we might edit it. I don't know if we're back in the room or not.
So yeah, it come in and you can see it obviously parking up.
Yeah, so that was really cool, and we might maybe see it set off, but there's one going tomorrow morning as well, so around the time when we're flying, so we'll definitely see that as well. So yeah, we're just having a nice chill. And we'll do a little update. Like I said, me and Mum are going to have some face masks later. Mum's provided the face mask, so we're going to do that. And you'll have a nice night with Scotland.
I will.
Boys' night.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Chin chin.
Cheers.
And I will leave the montage of the hotel bits. We'll be next in the room.
We will. We'll see you soon.
See ya.
So we are back in the room now.
Yep.
And we're going to end this vlog. We're just currently waiting for an that Emirates flight to go. It's not gone yet. They never normally go on time anyways. So me and Mum are just having a little G&T in the room. You're chilling
in the next room
with your brother.
Come to end this vlog.
Come to see me and say goodnight and end the vlog. So we hope you enjoyed our little pre-travel day.
Yeah.
And we will see you tomorrow morning for travel day. So we're up. Gonna get up early, aren't we?
Yep.
So we've got
lots planned.
Lots planned tomorrow. So obviously we'll take you with us. And we'll let you know how our night was, and hopefully we'll have a good night's sleep. But this bed feels really comfy as well. So the hotel's gorgeous.
Definitely recommend staying.
It's pristine, so clean. Everything's just really comfortable. Yeah, it's such a lovely hotel. So if you've got like an early morning flight, or even if you just want to have a bit of a nice little overnight stay to start your holidays off, it's a lovely place to stay in. Like I said, it connects to all the terminals.
Or even if you're not going on holiday.
Yeah, just and get one of these rooms just to watch
just to watch
it's
planes.
just amazing to watch the planes.
Deborah's mum's fixated.
Yeah,
at the
mum's
plane.
loving the planes. So yeah, we will say goodnight now and we will see you all in the morning.
If you've enjoyed the vlog, please smash the like button and subscribe if you're new.
Yeah, thanks guys.
See you on a travel day.
Bye.
Bye.